movement. Now this verse 44, the whole thing begins to move, and it starts moving with singing. And who's leading the singing? Who's the lead singer? Radha, 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 Radha. So Radha began to sing. So the word Upagiyamana is actually Radharani's name. Upa. Upagiya. Giya means Gita. Upa means the best, topmost, best singer. Upagiyamana. So Vishwanath going deep, deep, deep into the lila, deep into the hearts of Radharani. This is what's called Bhav Tadatmya. One with the Bhav. So one wave of that Bhav Tadatmya was shown by Labanga Manjari, Sanatan Goswami, or Vilas Manjari Jiva Goswami, and of course also Sanatan. Now, Vishwanath in his Manjari Swarup, he's showing a tidal wave. Waves are good, Taranga is great, but it's tsunamis, like, wow. So Radharani began to sing, because Giyamana means Vishwanath, par excellent, no comparison. Upa, Giyamana, so Giya, Gita, Giya, Gaya, this all means to sing. Then Upa as a prefix means what? Special, loud. So Upagiyamana means Radharani. Radharani began to sing. Radharani is singing in a very pleasing way. Upa. So Upa means very pleasing, with proper rag and swara and tala. Radharani sang the following song. Vadanam Madhuman. Vadanam, it says Tinta also. Vishwanath is telling. Radha sings the following song in Tintal. Vadanam Madhuma Saranam Chalanam Dalanam Kandra Kirtinam Vadanam Madhuma Saranam Chalanam Dalanam Kandra Kirtinam Asitam Sudrigbir Lasitam Tava Savaya Patu Mama Nisham Tava Savaya Patu Mama Nisham. Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Varanam Maruma Saranam Varanam Maruma Saranam Chalanam Dalanam Kandra Kirtinam Chalanam Dalanam Kandra Kirtinam Hasitam Sudrigbir Lasitam Tava Savayapatu Mama Nisham Tava Savayapatu Mama Nisham Hare Radhe 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 Varanam Varama Saranam Chalanam Dalanam Kandra Kirtinam Hasitam Sudrigbir Lasitam Tava Savaya Patu Mamanisham. Srimati Radharani ki. This is the song Radharani sang to Krishna. O Sham, your face is an abode of unlimited sweetness. Your swaying, graceful movements defeat the fame of the king of elephants, and your gentle, sweet smiles are desired by all the beautiful women. So please, I beg you, O Sham, please always protect me. Always protect me. Patumama Nisham.